Have you ever slept for 8 hours but somehow still woken up feeling exhausted? Your body is in bed, your eyes are closed, yet technically rested. So why does your mind still feel tired? Maybe it's because your body isn't the only thing that needs rest. Your mind needs rest too. And in today's world, that's something many of us have forgotten how to do. The moment we wake up, we reach for our phones. We check messages, we think about work. We worry about money. We think about our families. We replay yesterday. We plan tomorrow. And sometimes, even when we're sitting completely still, our minds are running a marathon. Today, we are going to talk about mental exhaustion and simple ways to give your mind recovery. Because sometimes, you don't need to work harder. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another productivity hack. You simply need to rest. Mental exhaustion happens when your mind has been dealing with too much for too long. It can come from work, relationships, financial pressure, constant decision-making, information overload, social media, uncertainty about the future, or simply having too many things competing for your attention. Think about your brain like a computer. If you keep dozens of programs running at the same time, eventually the computer slows down. Your mind can feel the same way. You're trying to answer an email while thinking about dinner, while remembering an appointment, while worrying about yesterday, while wondering what might happen tomorrow. You're physically in one place, but mentally you're everywhere. And that's exhausting. Mental exhaustion doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like staring at your computer screen and realizing you've read the same sentence 5 times. Sometimes it looks like forgetting simple things. Sometimes you become irritated by small problems. Sometimes you don't even know why you're tired. And sometimes you simply don't feel like doing anything. Here's something many people don't realize. You can stop working without stopping thinking about work. You can leave the office but still carry the office in your head. You can put your phone down but continue scrolling mentally through everything you've seen. And this is one reason modern life can feel so mentally exhausting. We are surrounded by stimulation, notifications, news, videos, messages. Our brains rarely experience true silence. Imagine sitting down for 5 minutes with absolutely nothing to consume. No phone, no television, no music. For some people, that feels uncomfortable. Because the moment everything becomes quiet, the thoughts become loud. We start thinking about unfinished tasks, old conversations, future problems, mistakes, regrets, and instead of allowing the mind to settle, we immediately reach for our phone again. But constantly distracting yourself isn't the same as resting. Your mind needs space. One reason we struggle to rest is that we've confused rest with laziness. We tell ourselves, I should be doing something. I don't have time to relax. I can rest later. But here's the problem. There will almost always be something else to do. Another email, another message, another meeting, another chore, another deadline. If you wait until everything is finished before you rest, you may never rest. And there's another problem. We've become addicted to productivity. We measure our days by what we accomplish. How many emails did I answer? How many hours did I work? How much money did I make? But humans aren't machines. You don't have to produce something every minute to have value. Rest is in the opposite of productivity. Rest supports productivity. Your brain needs periods of lower stimulation. Your attention needs recovery. Your emotions need space. And your body needs time to recharge. So instead of asking, "What else can I accomplish today?" sometimes ask, "What can I let go of today?" Take care of your mind. Take care of yourself. And never be ashamed to rest. Thanks for watching. Remember to prioritize your mental rest today. See you next time.